Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will describe about expressing cause and effect in modeling Averbian appearances. My name is Farah Abdillah. I from is ETKIP PGRI Bangkalan. Okay, and number 1 is introducing modeling adverbial parsers. Because it's not as in modeling parsers, it omitted but the resulting parson expression a cause and effect relationship. Contohnya adalah because he needs some money to buy a book, Ahmad cashes a check. Needing some money to buy a book, Ahmed cashes a check. And number 3 adalah because he was unable to afford a car, he bought a bicycle. Dan yang nomor 4 adalah unable to afford a car, he bought a bicycle. Having a plus particle give the meaning not only of because but also of before. Contohnya adalah having seen that game before, I don't want to go again. Having seen the game before, I didn't want to go again. Artinya adalah jika saya mempunyai sebuah game tersebut sebelumnya, saya tidak akan mau pergi ke sana. Untuk contoh yang kedua adalah jika saya mempunyai game sebelumnya, saya tidak akan pergi ke sana. Oke, untuk next page adalah change time clause to modifying adverbial process. Changing time clause to modifying adverbial process. Adverb clause beginning with while can be changed to modifying adverbial process. Clauses beginning with after, before, and since can also be reduced to modifying process. Here is example of is. Ini adalah contoh-contoh kalimat clause beginning dengan menggunakan kata after, before, dan since. Untuk yang pertama adalah since clause. Contoh dari kalimat session adalah says Ahmad returning to school, he has been very busy. Yang nomor 2 adalah since process. Since returning to school, Ahmed has been very busy. Dan yang nomor 3 adalah contoh kalimat nomor 3 adalah before clauses. Before Ahmad returning to school, he has a long free time. Dan yang nomor 4 adalah before parentheses. Before returning to school, Ahmed had a lot of free time. Dan itu adalah contoh-contoh kalimat dari kata after, before, dan since. Baik, kita lanjut ke halaman berikutnya adalah dengan changing time clause to modifying adverbial process. Yang selanjutnya, contoh kalimat selanjutnya adalah dari after clause. After the had finished his class, Ahmed went to work. Setelah dia selesai mengerjakan pekerjaannya, Ahmad pergi bekerja. After verses. After finishes his classes, Ahmed went to work. Atau after having finished his class, Ahmad went to work. Sometimes while is omit from process describes the idea of during the same time. Terkadang dari sebuah kalimat tersebut semuanya di process the express of idea of during the same time berarti adalah semuanya itu adalah sama dalam satu tempat. Dan ini juga adalah 3 contoh kalimat lagi, yaitu while Abdullah was shopping at the grocery store, he ran into one of his teacher. Itu adalah kalimat dari clause. Dan yang kedua adalah while shopping at the grocery store, Abdullah ran into one his teacher versus. Dan yang nomor 3 adalah shopping at the grocery store, Abdullah ran into one of his teacher. Process with while omit. Jadi dari tiga Tiga kalimat tersebut adalah dalam waktu yang sangat sama. Oke, di page selanjutnya adalah kita akan menjelaskan tentang cause and effect in modifiing a process. When expression cause and effect with modifiing a process, the word because is not included. The ing process expresses cause and effect on its own. Clause-nya adalah because he needs to buy a new house, Omar applies for a loan for SAAB Bank. Clause. Current reduction to a process omitting because needed to buy a new house, Omar applies for a CSB Bank. Dan selanjutnya adalah acting upon to modifying a verb process. Modifying process beginning with upon a plus ing usually have the same meaning as clause that begin with when atau at the time. For example, number 1 is when I reached the summit of the Hijab Mountains, I took a photograph of park below. Upon reaching the summit of the Hijab Mountain, I took a photograph of the park below. And number 3, on riding the summit of the Hijab's mountain, I took a photograph of the park below. Jadi ini adalah 3 contoh kalimat dari acting upon plus modifying a verb process. I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.